this is Live Right Now. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you with my first haul of 2018. This is a random haul from different stores that I've got over the last few months, but I wanted to show them because I've learned the hard way that sometimes you think that that item is gone and is back in the store. So if you want to see what your girl got, this is the place to be. Keep watching. The first store we're going to start off with is Ross. Okay, first we're going to start off with this beautiful frame. It's going to be a lot of bling in this haul, so I'm going to warn you ahead of time. And the frame looks like this. Isn't that beautiful with the rhinestones all the way around? I don't know what I'm going to put in it yet. And it says it's genuine crystal, and it was $10.99. Again, that came from Ross. A lot of time, when you watch other YouTubers and they are doing their hauls, you have your wish list. So when you see the items in the actual store, you get excited. And I was in South Carolina visiting my mother, and that's when I got all these items that I got from Ross. I got them for the Ross in South Carolina, and I don't live in South Carolina, but I was there visiting, and I was so excited when I saw these. And these are these gold candlesticks. I'm sure if you follow a lot of YouTubers, you've seen this. They have them in silver and gold. And the smaller one was $10.99. And the larger one was $12.99. Again, from Ross. I saw these in the store and I fell in love with them. And it's these sconces. And they're in gold with all this bling. And they have the LED candle that comes in it, and you can put batteries in the bottom and cut it on here. And it also comes with the hardware to add them to the wall. I'm not quite sure where I'm going to put them at, but soon I'm going to be coming with some room tours, and you'll be able to see where I put all the items I'm hauling in the room tours coming up. And these were $14.99. I really like shag rugs, but I don't like the ones that are like really thick. I like them to be light and airy. And when I saw this, I thought it was so pretty because it's gray, and it is a 20 by 30, and it's only $6.99 from Ross. As you can see with this pillow I have here, these came from Marshall's, and these are $19.99. I hauled these a long time ago, but it has that same type of fringe effect, and I haven't decided where I'm going to put it at yet because of that light gray. I really don't want it to be in in the heavy traffic area. I want to put it in the light traffic area. Okay, well, and I got one more thing from Ross, which is one of these large acrylic with a crystal. It's heavy, a glass crystal, I guess a paperweight. I'm just going to use it for decorating purposes, and it is $8.99. Again, this came from Ross. Okay, the next store is Burlington. I only got a few things from Burlington, and I'm going to start off with this beautiful painting, canvas painting from Burlington with shoes. And it has the Art of Fashion, Unforgettable, One in a Million, and Runway Love and Life. And it was $14.99. And it's from a company called Design District Studio. And the beautiful gold and black and white. I'm thinking about putting it in my beauty room. And again, that tour is coming up soon. It was so beautiful. I always wanted these, but I couldn't believe they were at Burlington. Burlington is so hit and miss, but I got this beautiful tall vase. I know it has to be at least 3 feet, and I got 2 of them. $14.99 a piece from Burlington, and I have some ideas for that will be coming up soon. And I was pleasantly surprised to see this item at Burlington. Again, Burlington is always so hit and miss, but they had these beautiful blush pillows, $15.99, and they had a smaller size that was $12.99, and they had this size which was $15.99. And of course I got 2 of those to put on my bed. I had my haul uploaded, but when I saw this item at Burlington, I had to add it. I just got this yesterday. It's $39.99. It's so beautiful and blingy, and I wanted to show it to you guys just in case you want to get it for yourself. Okay, I only got a few things from Tjmaxx. I'm going to get right into those. And I got these 2 candle holders. That's this beautiful blush pink. They have this larger one, and it was only $5.99. And then they have the smaller one that's $4.99. Again, both of these came from Tjmaxx. And Tjmaxx had a deal where you can order something from their website and the shipping was free. So I always try to see what they have in their clearance section online and see if it's something that I like. I only get things I fall in love with. I don't just get things just to get things. And they had this beautiful painting. It was $12.99, and I don't know if you can tell, it's like a metallic rose gold with this white and silver glitter on each brush stroke. It's so beautiful. Okay, so the next 2 items are just random items, which is this pineapple that comes from Tuesday Morning, and it is $19.99. And this piece comes off for what reason, don't know, but again, with the pineapples mean welcome. Then we got this from Kirklands. I thought this was so gorgeous. I'm going to show you this, but I'm also going to come with a DIY later that I can try to show you something that's similar so it can be more custom, because it really was a good price, which was this canvas. And as you can see, the rhinestones, the gems, crystal gems, like the same ones you get at the Dollar Tree. And it's on the inside, and the front says break in case of fabulous. break in case of fabulous. Break in case of fabulous. Okay. I just thought that was nice. It has a little piece on the back to hang it on a wall, but I don't think I'm hanging on a wall. I think I'm just gonna put it in an easel and display it somewhere. But it was only $12.99, so I don't think it really would be cheaper to make one. I don't know, we'll find out, but I definitely think it would be beneficial to know how to make one to make it more customized. And I'll give you some ideas of that when the DIY comes up. I haven't done it yet, but I already have the idea in my head. I can't wait to bring that to you. And the next and last thing from Kirklands, they had a clearance sale where you took an extra 40% off of the lowest price. So this beautiful lamp was $24.99, and then they marked it down to $17.97, and then it was 40% off of that. So I ended up paying, if I remember correctly, around 10 bucks for it. And I lucked out because they had 1 and then they had 2. Aren't they gorgeous? I was so pleased when I saw these. The clearance has been spectacular, because really at this point I think I'm pretty good with everything that I need. I really do still need rugs, and I need some bar stools, but again, it has to be exactly what I want. I have to be in love with it. So I'll keep looking until I find it. When I find it, and then I'll see, I know then to get it, because I don't believe in just getting something. I don't want to get something just to say I got it. I want it to be something that I'll love for years to come, because a lot of things that I have, it'll look like they're new, but I've had them for 10, 15 years, because I've always liked blingy things. I've always liked to sparkle. So if you get a piece that you fall in love with, you can always change the color of it. You can add stuff to it. You can make it your own and transition it into more of what your style is now. And of course, I will be coming up with some tutorials showing you how you can do that. And I cannot wait. I have so much coming. And I know that I have been missing in action, but I just recently moved. And as you can imagine, when you want things to be perfect, I'm a bit of a perfectionist. And sometimes that can be a flaw, because I want to bring my best to you guys when I come on my channel. And sometimes I can stand in my own way. I wanted to bring my best when y'all be just happy just to see me. So hopefully you are. And I did this haul because I want to do room tour videos. So what I need you to do is down below comment on what room you want me to do a tour on first. And once I get the, you know, the common place where people want to see, I will do that video and post it, and we go from there. So I wanted to do a living room tour, a kitchen tour, a bathroom tour, and a bedroom tour, and my beauty room tour. So tell me down below which one you would like to see first. I love you guys, and as always, be your own kind of beautiful, because you, my love, are beautiful. See you next time. Bye.